This is the Woodford RK-WXL steel link repair kit for the models W34 and the X34. So on the front of the package it will come with a list of parts that should be included in the packaging, as well as that little picture breakdown there of the order of the parts. Go ahead and get everything out here. So it will come with the 2 link plates, the link bolt nut, and then the link bolt, and then that link spacer. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part here. We'll start with that link bolt. So from the top of the head to the bottom of the threads, it'll measure right at about 2 1/4 inches. And then an outer diameter of that hexed head there, measure right at 1/2 inch. And then we'll measure the spacer. We'll get a total length as well as an outer diameter. Let's see if I can get it to stop moving here. So it'll measure right at about 1 1/4 inches, with an outer diameter of right about 1/2 inch. Okay, and then we can go ahead and measure the link plates, which should be pretty much the exact same in size and shape. So total length will measure right above 3 1/2 inches there. And then we can get a total height as well, just because they are a little bit thick. And it'll measure right below 1/4 inch. And then we can measure that link bolt nut. And for this, we'll just go ahead and do a height, which will measure right at 1/4 inch. And then an outer diameter of right at about 1/2 inch. Okay, so once again, this is the Woodford RK-WXL steel link repair kit.